everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a new video for you guys. It's something pretty exciting. Boot Mode has officially released rolling anti-lag for all Gen 1 B58 engines. So if you have a car that doesn't have the B58 TU in it, you're going to want to watch this video. Essentially what this rolling anti-lag is, it will allow you to build boost from a roll. So if you're going 60 miles per hour, it'll let you build boost, so whenever you're ready to go, you're going to shoot off like a rocket. So today we're going to go ahead and show you guys a few video clips of me using the rolling anti-lag, and then I'll also do a comparison of using anti-lag versus without and see if there's any time savings between using it and not. So you're just going to want to hold this button up one click, not two, just one, and whenever you're at 4,000 RPMs, you'll floor it, wide open throttle while holding this up, and you'll hear the anti-lag engage. You'll see the revs kind of will stay around 4,000. You'll be at whatever speed you're cruising at. And when you're ready, let go of this while you're still wide open throttle, and the car will just kick you back. One last thing is that you do need to make sure that your car is at optimal running temperature. I believe Boot Mode states on there that it has to be at 170 degrees. Alrighty guys, so that's going to be it for the video. Let me know what you guys think about the rolling anti-lag. We got all the little babies here, but if you're a fan or not, let me know in the comments below. I would advise for you not to use the rolling anti-lag all the time because it is known to be a turbo killer, so make sure you're using this sparingly. But without further ado, we'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Peace.